city glows dim. I see a shadow dancing on the rim of the falling sky. No words are needed, I've been here before, wrapped in the silence as the heavens pour. The world is drowning in a sapphire blue, but it's the only time I get to be with you. Love always finds its way when the clouds begin to cry, with every silver droplet falling from the heavy sky. A ghost of your smile, a touch so cool and deep, waking up the promises that I tried to keep. I didn't have to call you, but my heart always knew that the storm would be the one to bring me back to you. No need for umbrellas, no need to stay dry. Just let the water wash the tears from my eyes. You don't come often, only when I'm weak, coming with the comfort that I always seek. A liquid heartbeat, ripping in slow, healing the wounds that I never let show. On those sunny days, you're a million miles away, but when the thunder rolls, I know you're gonna stay. My beautiful storm, my sweet summer rain, still waiting here in the mist and the spray, wishing this weather